Today we're doing my bleach touch-up, but I'm doing an experiment. I have some of my ends that I cut off on my last haircut, which happens to be the ends of my hair, which is kind of the same color. Last time that we did my hair, and we're doing my daughter's little mini highlights on her black hair. And so what I'm doing is, this is the ends. I'm going to apply this blonde just because I'm super curious to see what would happen if I applied this all over my head. This is lightest blonde, lightest golden blonde. It's a 1-to-1 ratio. And this, since it is my recent cut of ends, I wanted to find out what would happen if I did just like a little blob, a little test, just to like literally see what could or would happen. So I'm going to literally mix up a drop worth of this stuff and put it on as a tester and see if I like the color. And if I like the color, then I know I can apply it to the rest of my head. And since it is a 1-to-1 ratio, I'm just gonna do the littlest bit to cover. Okay, so just a lot with the littlest bit of dots. And we're gonna get a little mixy room. Okay. And the directions on the box said to leave it in for about 30 minutes or so processing time. So I'm going to do this like this. Hi, Freddy. No, pero quieres diablo.
I'm hungry.
Now remember, this is just a test blob. I'm just curious to know how is this going to turn out if I was to apply this to my whole head. So that's what I've got mixed up. I'm going to tape my chunk of hair and just gently apply it in there like this. Boom. Call it a day, please. Thank you. Alright, so there's the hair with the toner, or actually it's cream color and developer. This is my test splotch off my real heat. So like I said, experiment 101. Okay, stay tuned for the results. I'm gonna let this sit probably for 30 minutes, the full 30 minutes, because I said 30 to 45, so we'll do 30 and I'll check in. All right, quick follow-up. It's been about 30 minutes and there's no change. I'll rinse it off, but this was ineffective. I am glad I did not bother wasting my time putting this color on my actual head, because on this little test of the roots, well, the ends that I cut off, absolutely no change. It is still orange and still very brassy. So that would be quite ineffective.